Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to replace an ignition switch in a Dodge Caravan. First, gather all necessary tools like screwdrivers and a steering wheel puller. Always disconnect the negative battery terminal before starting any work for safety. Make sure you have a new, compatible ignition switch ready for installation. This preparation ensures a smooth and safe replacement process. Next, you'll need to access the ignition switch by disassembling the steering column. Begin by carefully removing the steering column covers and any surrounding trim panels. Disconnect all electrical connectors attached to the switch. Then, use a steering wheel puller to safely remove the steering wheel, providing clear access to the ignition switch housing. Now you can remove the old ignition switch. Unbolt it from its housing, taking note of its orientation. Carefully insert the new ignition switch, ensuring it aligns correctly within the housing. Once the new switch is in place, securely reconnect all the electrical connectors you previously detached. Double-check that each connection is firm. Finally, it's time to reassemble everything. Carefully reattach the steering wheel, followed by the steering column covers and any trim panels. Once everything is back in place, reconnect the negative battery terminal. Before driving, thoroughly test the new ignition switch to ensure it functions correctly, starting the vehicle and checking all key positions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.